I'm Brenda. Welcome back to the channel. So I'm getting dressed. Well, I'm already dressed. I'm actually looking for my purse, y'all, because I'm getting ready to head out. I've got to go. Where is my purse? This is crazy. So I'm getting ready to go. So I got to go do a few errands today. I got to go do some running around today. Y'all, if I don't know, I cannot find my daggone purse. I don't know what I did with my purse. So I'm getting ready to run out because, let me see if it's in the laundry room. Did I put it in here? In the man cave? No. All right. Anyway, I'm getting ready to run out. I have some last minute errands to run. Some last minute things to pick up for Thanksgiving. And so that's what I'm getting ready to do. If I can find my purse. Let's see. I don't know what I did with it. But anyway, Bill's outside using the restroom. I don't think I left it in the car. Maybe I sat in the kitchen on the table, maybe. Let's see. But anyway, I have some last minute running around to do, y'all. So that's what I'm getting ready to do. I have a few items to go and pick up. We went out. Girl, that purse got to be in the car. It's got to be in the car. I put on me a t-shirt, y'all, and me some little stretchy pants. It don't look all the best, but it will have to do. This dog thinks somebody in the mood to play. I'm not in the mood to play because I got to go and come on back. I got things to do today. Bella, come on. Slow walking. So anyway, I got to go, come on back so that I can hurry up, get back home. So what I want to do today is I want to get out and go ahead and pick up my last minute things that we need for the house so that I can go ahead and do, I'm about done my coffee. So I'm done my coffee. So I can just switch over to my water. Something burning out here. Yeah, you know what? This is crazy. I don't know where my phone is. My purse is. You know what, y'all? Oh, guess what, y'all? Look, hold on. When I came home from taking my son to work, I set my purse out here, y'all, in the garage when I got my protein shake. That's where it's been sitting at. That's why I can't find my darn phone, my purse. Anyway, today is Monday, so it is now about, I want to say it's 4:45. So I'm in here. I'm making me and hubby some dinner. So we are getting ready to eat. So I have the sweet potatoes cooking because that is what I wanted, was the sweet potato. So I have our, we have a New York strip. I wanted some steak today. So that's what we're having. I was waiting for my sweet potato to get about done, even though we are going to have, hold on, y'all. I'm going to stand y'all probably right here. Let's see. Even though we're going to have sweet potato pie. Okay, that's good. I wanted sweet potato because that is my favorite. So I'm going to go ahead now and make some, I wanted some sweet potato with my ribeye. Well, not my ribeye. This is a New York strip that I'm making. So that's what I'm getting ready to have. So I went out today and I was able to go ahead and get everything I needed that we're going to have to cook. So I'm going to start prepping everything tomorrow for Thanksgiving dinner. So I have decorated for Christmas here. So I have all my little stuff decorated. So right now I'm just cutting on my little churches. I do have a lot of little decor sitting around. So I will share that with you in a few. So yeah, I just wanted to get all my little decor put together so that it can be seen. Because again, Thanksgiving is only a few days away. So that's what we are doing. So I went out today and I picked up my last few little items that I needed. So I do need to go out tomorrow. So I need to pick up cheese tomorrow, some smoked meat for my collard greens, and cheese and smoked meat. I think that's the only thing I got to get tomorrow. And I am getting my nails done. So I have a new grandbaby. This is my one fake nail here that I have. Everything else is mine. So So I'm going to have them, this one came off, this broke again. So I'm going to have them cut all my nails all the way back about the length of this so that I can handle my new grandbaby. So all my nails are going to get cut all the way back tomorrow. And I'm just going to probably have them put a little, something, the simplest look they can give me so that I can handle my grandbaby. There is hubby. He is just pulling in. And I'm getting ready to put these steaks on. Our sweet potatoes are about ready. And we're going to get ready and start eating. So I have my brine kit here. This is the brine because I'm going to be doing a turkey. We're going to be doing oxtails, collard greens. We're doing the red beans and rice. Well, not red beans. We're doing the Jamaican beans and rice. And so we have the red kidney beans. I have the coconut milk. So I'm going to try that because we had it when we went to Atlanta to my daughter, and I've been wanting to try it. So we're going to try that. So let me go and greet my husband, and I will pull you all back up in a bit. Okay? Stay tuned. So today is Tuesday. So I just left the house. I just gotten to the nail salon. So I'm here to get my nails done. Excuse me. So I'm actually going to go ahead and get all my nails cut back. All of these are my own nails with the exception of this one here, and this one was fake. So this one broke off. So I think I want to get all of these cut all the way back to the length of this possibly. Because anytime I put fake nails on, they don't seem to last. I'm surprised that this one held on as long as it did. But I think I'm just going to have them cut all of these nails back. Because again, I have a new grandbaby. And I do not want to scratch her. And I want to be able to hold her and actually enjoy her. So when I leave here, after I get my nails done, I got to go and find a bucket to brine my turkey in. And then I have to get cheese. And then I got to get smoked meat for my collards. And then that's it. I'm in the house for the rest of the day. And the nail design today is going to be something really simple. I normally try and get something all extravagant, but we're not doing that. We are getting ready to start saving some coins. So I did bring my drink with me today. So I'm just drinking this today out of this. It doesn't fit in my coffee holder, my cup holder, but it's fine. So I'm going to run in here. My appointment was at 10, so I think I'm right on time. So I'm going to run in here, get this done, and then I will pull you all back up when we're done. Okay? So stay tuned. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. I am Brenda. So today is Monday. So I'm out and about. I had to go and have an MRI today. So I had to wear something really comfortable. So I have on my little sports bra, make sure nothing has wires or metals in it. Have on my wristband still from the hospital. So I've stopped here to Dunkin' Donuts. I wanted to get me a chicken and roasted pepper wrap. That has become my all-time favorite. I'm on my way home. So I'm going to pick this up. Then when I get home, I'll get my coffee because I don't buy coffee out. And then I'll pull you all back up when I get home. So welcome back to the channel, y'all. So today is Tuesday. So I'm up trying to get my drive up because it is, what is it, December the 2nd. And it is time for me to go ahead and I've already decorated somewhat for Christmas. I haven't done any Thanksgiving videos. I haven't been doing a lot because I really just have not been feeling like it. I'm still dealing with these post-concussion syndrome stuff and being in front of a camera, picking up my camera, recording videos, getting on that computer. It has just really been a push. It's been really hard. And I'm having to kind of like try and force myself to do it. So my doctor is also instructing me to push myself more. He wants me to really push myself this last month. This is my last month off, supposed to be. So he wants me to really push myself and see just how much I can really do and what I can really get done and how much can I do so that he can make a real assessment as to will I be going back to work in January or are we going to be off 3 more months? We don't know yet. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Brenda. So today is Tuesday. So I'm actually here in the man cave. So I'm trying real hard to work on a quick video. So I'm still home from work. I haven't gone back to work. I've been off work since October 3rd, dealing with a concussion. Right now I'm dealing with post-concussion syndrome. So I'm dealing with the after effects of a concussion and all the issues that comes from a concussion. So that's what I'm dealing with. So currently right now I'm at the house. I'm trying to get well. If you can see my hair, I've not had my hair done now since, it's November, since September. So today I plan to wash my hair, try and do something to it myself because my head has been hurting so bad, I don't want nobody to touch it. I've been just pulling it back in a ponytail and just trying to make do because I don't want to touch my hair. But I got to wash it today. I have to wash it. So that's what we're going to do. So my last doctor's appointment, my doctor wants me to try and push really hard, excuse me, and get back into, he wants me to kind of like see if I can get back to my normal routine. That means getting on my computer, getting out, exercising, seeing what I can really do because I'm supposed to be going back to work December the 26th. That my job says the 26th. My doctor said the 31st. So we shall see. It'll probably be in January. But I'm not going anywhere if I can't get back on my computer. So far, I can get on my phone for a little bit. The phone, I guess the screen is so much smaller, so it doesn't bother me as bad. But my iPad, I cannot be on my iPad for any amount of time, hardly. My big computer over my desktop, 30 minutes tops, and that's it before it starts triggering my headaches and bothering my eyes and the light is too bright, whatever. So I'm really, really trying this week to get on my computer, and I miss doing my YouTube videos, but I just haven't been able to. So what I'm going to try differently is, instead of trying to make really long videos, we're going to do little short videos, even if they're only 10 minutes long, 8 minutes, whatever. So, because it takes a minute to edit videos, especially if they're real long. So if I can do a short video, that's what we're going to do. So today, I think what we're going to do is we're going to work in the man cave because I really need to get in here and clean. I have a lot of clothes just sitting around that I need to fold and hang up, even on my desk over there. Can you see my desk? So I have the clothes there I need to put up. I have clothes here by me I need to hang up. And then the grandbabies were here for Thanksgiving, so I need to put these things up. I have some things that I recorded that I probably won't post because there's just no way. So what we're going to do is we're going to pick up right here any footage that I've pre-recorded. I may post it, I may not. But today we're going to pick up right here in the man cave. We're going to clean, and I will bring you all along with me. It'll be a short video. So we're going to just clean the man cave, pick up these things, hang up stuff in here, and we're going to move to my bedroom, tidy up in there, and that's going to be it. And so if you're interested in seeing a little quick clean with me, see what my morning routine looks like as I'm trying to recover. Oh, snap. I didn't even take my pill. Hold on. I got to go take my pill. All right, guys. So I've gotten all the beds stripped. So I am washing sheets as we speak. So now I'm going downstairs because it's breakfast time. I haven't had any breakfast yet, and I'm kind of hungry. Bells is down here. She won't come back upstairs with me, so I'm going to stay down here, at least till I have my breakfast. And I need to get in here and clean anyway. Hold on. I'm going to try and sit y'all up. Oh, all right. All right. So anyway, I got some stuff I need to get out of here. I need to wash dishes. I think this morning I'm going to have some... scrambled egg this morning. So let me do that. I think I want some scrambled egg.
Why are you going back and forth?
All right, so I think we're going to...
I can't keep up with your mood swings. What is troubling your mind? Are you doing this just to test me? I'm bad at handling this type of thing. I don't get it, you say it's a man thing. Babe, I wanna be your rock. I just wanna make your heart sing. But you're not letting me get through to you. If you let your guard down, baby, this is what I'll do. Come on, baby. Love you, I will love you. I will love you like a queen. I will love to take you to a place you've never been. Love you, I will love you. I will love you like a queen. I trouble in your mind? Babe, why can't you just tell me? I just wanna be your bride, wanna be.
Guys, so we are in the man cave. So this is our tree for the man cave. The only thing I need to do is go out and get some more cotton so that I can finish putting cotton around here, all the way out and around the back. But this is the tree. This is what we did for the granddaughters. So they'll have something here in the man cave. I think that is the prettiest star ever. And then we always put this blow up snowman here and the little house in the train. So that works for them here. So I just need to get in here and pick up a bunch of stuff that's just sitting around. So that's all we're gonna work on today. And so yeah, I'm getting ready to work on that now. And yes, I gotta fold up these clothes, put those in the drawer, hang those up, and then just fold up some stuff, and that is it. Bella ain't gonna do a thing. She's gonna lay right there in my way. That's all she's gonna do. That is Bella's job, is to lay right there.